Hey, everyone. We have a special number that we would like to dedicate to our Tongan families and friends who are facing difficulties right now or going through hardship due to the volcanic explosion. And we also want to dedicate this one to Linda, who gave us the lyrics to this song, the Tongan version of God Likes to Work. And we love the lyrics of the song because it says, God likes to work when your back is to the wall. So when you think like there's nowhere to go or no one to turn to, God is there and He will hear your prayers. So we hope that you'll be inspired and be strengthened by the lyrics of this song. We apologize if our Tongan is not as fluent and we may say some of the words incorrectly. Please bear with us.